Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create auto captions for your video in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and for your information, Canva has just launched a new feature. So here we need to go to this menu, see what's coming, and here you will be able to find animate captions, and we're going to use this feature to create auto captions for our video. Okay, here I'm going to show you how we can add auto captions for our video. And wait, okay, this is the template from Canva, and I'm going to add my own video. I'm going to go to the uploads. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, actually here you will get the instructions, but I'm just going to close it, and I'm going to show you how we can add auto caption. Okay, I'm going to go to my video, and I'm going to upload one of my videos here. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this video. Okay, wait, I'm going to delete this page. Alright, and I'm going to add auto caption for this video, guys.
Welcome, friend.
Okay, if we want to add auto caption, we can go to the text, and we're going to choose dynamic text. We'll have two options here, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, here you can select videos with speech, and I'm going to choose the second video and click on generate captions. Alright. And now as you can see guys that the captions have been added to this design.
Welcome, friend.
Okay. Let me play it one more time.
Hello, I'm Robert. Welcome, friend.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to create auto captions for your video using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.